crazy magic circles of magic spells from Doctor Strange series. And now let's put also on Doctor Strange some more light. And then I found this cool picture of a broken glass, and we're gonna use it later, but the idea that I have for this is really great. Hi, I'm Myke Lewis. In today's video we're gonna do something really cool. Doctor Strange new movie from Marvel is coming soon to the cinemas. I'm super excited about it. I thought let's create a poster for it, of course in our favorite tool, Photoshop. So without further talking, let's go straight to the Photoshop and do some magic. So I'm gonna start with a simple selection. I'm gonna use Select and Mask tool, which is so amazing and works really great. I fix the mask a bit, using a simple brush. Then I create a grey background and I import a photo of a city. Of a New York City to be exact. And I play with color balance to make sure that the Doctor Strange is blending a bit more with the city. And then I imported those crazy magic circles of magic spells from Doctor Strange series, and I changed the color of them a bit, and I create a mask for them, and I put them in the background. And then I start to play with a glow, so I duplicate the layer a few times, and I use the Gaussian blur to blur the layers a bit more, to imitate this glowing effect. And I change the color to red. I add some radial blur also. And then I create a new hue saturation layer to also change the color of the city. And I also blur the city a bit using the field blur option. Of course, I'm using again Select and Mask tool, and I put Wanda behind the Doctor Strange. And then I import Wong. That was the best photo that I could find, so I just use again Select and Mask, and I put Wong behind Wanda. So the composition more or less is ready. I put some hue saturation layers and some exposure layer to Wanda character to make sure that she is blending a bit more of our scene. I also do the same to Wong, just adding some colors to them, to make sure that they are affected by this red magic spell behind the characters. And let's put some color to Doctor Strange, so hue saturation layer, and I'm just playing with it. I'm creating some edges of light. And I put some shadows behind the Doctor Strange to make sure that the characters are a bit more separated. I do the same to Wanda, and I put some shadows behind her too. And I play with light. I put again color balance layer to Doctor Strange to blend him even more with our scene. And then I found this cool picture of a broken glass, and we're gonna use it later, but the idea that I have for this is really great, and I hope the final effect also is gonna be great. And I found this cool picture of a god race, and I'm gonna place them behind Doctor Strange. And of course, I change the blending mode, and I mask it a bit, and I add a bit more lightness on the edges of Doctor Strange. I play with some shadows on Wanda character. And also with light. I change the color of God rays. And I put a new solid color layer to imitate some glow. And then I go back to our city and I duplicate it and I put it at the top. And then I found also this cool galaxy picture, and I thought it's gonna be great for our poster, but I'm not too sure if this is not too much. Probably it is, so let's for now go back to our glass, change the color of it a bit. And now let's put also on Doctor Strange some more light, especially on hair. And I also decided that the galaxy picture is not gonna do well for our poster, so I just delete it. Let's play with the glass. I'm gonna apply the whole image and I'm gonna add some more reflections to some pieces of glass to imitate that every piece of glass is different from each other. Just simple selection tool and simple white color and blending mode on overlay mode. And then I'm gonna blur one image of our poster and then I'm gonna mask it on some pieces of glass. So there are some variations going on those pieces. I also fix a few places. And then I add a brightness adjustment layer and I make some pieces of glass a bit darker. And I still want to add this galaxy picture, but I'm not sure where to place it, so let's maybe just delete it completely from Photoshop. Now let's create some more glowing kind of effect on those white glass parts. And then I thought it's gonna be a great idea to add some Easter eggs, like Marvel is doing with every movie and every poster. So I found some characters which are going to be in this movie, probably. Marvel loves playing with us all the time. And let's put this different Doctor Strange here. So there is also this gossip that the next Iron Man will be in this movie. So let's also put it somewhere. And I put one more Easter egg here. And then we are going to our favorite part, camera raw filter, and we tweak some values. Play with some color grading to add this warm feel to the whole poster. I also add a new layer of radial blur to add this nice effect, but I of course mask it. And I add glowing edges effect to add a bit more details. And I blur the size of the image to make sure that the focus is at the center. And I add some chromatic aberration and some vignette. And for the final thing, I add the titles. I blend them with our poster. I also add a shadow on the bottom to make sure that the titles pop out a bit more. And that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think about it. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something from it. Please give a like, comment and subscribe to see more of it. Let me know what would you like to see next. Let me know also if you are going to see the new Doctor Strange movie. And to the next time, bye.